Hey there, Excel pros. Welcome to Excel Made Simple. Today, we're diving into a quick yet super useful shortcut that you might not be using enough. Ctrl plus number 4. Formatting your data doesn't have to be a hassle. With Ctrl plus 4, you can instantly toggle underlining for any text or number in your spreadsheet. Let me show you how it works. If you want to underline to make them stand out, just select, press Ctrl plus 4, and boom, underlined in a second. Need to remove the underline? Easy. Just press Ctrl plus 4 again, and it's gone. No more clicking through menus or searching for the underline button. This is a fantastic way to keep your spreadsheets clean, professional, and easy to read. So what you're waiting for? Give it a try and see the difference. Find this tip helpful? Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below your favorite Excel shortcut. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.